which makes our job very difficult to choose the best papers of the conference. So, with the unanimous decision of all the session chairs, we have come to a conclusion to present best paper awards in each track. So, in track 1, the best paper award goes to paper ID 66, where authors are Mukul Diwanji and the team. A big congratulate to the team for the best paper award in track 1. In track 14, the best paper award goes to paper ID 68, where the authors are Dr. Sonali Kothari and the team. Congratulations. In track 6, the best paper award goes to paper ID 102, where authors are Harish Khodke and the team. Congratulations. In track 2, paper ID 86, and the authors are the team. Congratulations, team. In track 19, we had multiple streams. So we have 3 best papers from track 19. The first best paper goes to paper ID 19. Authors are Bapu Saheb Dange and the team. In track 19, the second best paper goes to track paper ID 67, Uttara Gopte and the team. And we have one more best paper award in track 19, which goes to paper ID 122, where the authors are Natasha Saude and the team. Congratulations to all. In track 21, the paper ID 148 is chosen as the best paper, where the authors are Saurabh Day and the team. And in track number 7, best paper award goes to paper ID 48, where authors are Rahul Shimpi and the team. So I congratulate all the winners of the best paper awards in these tracks. Now we are open for the feedback session from the participants, and we would love to hear some feedback of the conference from our participants. So I request participants to provide your genuine feedback. You can unmute yourself. You can raise your hand and the admin will unmute you. Okay, Seema Shileda.
Yeah. Am I audible? Am I audible?
Yes, you are audible. Can you speak a bit louder?
From Marathwada Institute. I'm very grateful to the organizers for giving us this opportunity to present our work in front of domain experts and researchers. It has been a wonderful learning experience listening to keynote addresses and panel discussions of prominent speakers from industry and academia. I would like to congratulate the organizers for keeping no stone unturned in trying to make this international conference a success, even team effort and dedication is highly appreciated.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Dr. Uttara Gupte, if you can please unmute yourself, we would love to hear your feedback. Bapu Saheb Dange. Sir.
Yes, hello, good afternoon. Is I audible?
Sir, we would love to hear your feedback.
Yeah, sir, thank you for allowing me to give a feedback on this two-day conference, which is held at JNEC Aurangabad. So, all the dignitaries of this virtual dais present over here. And I would like to thank JNAC for organizing such event at international level. So last already, I am happy to share that last 2017 conference I have physically attended at JNSC campus, and now in 2020, here I am basically attended this conference through this virtual platform due to this COVID-19 pandemic situation, and it's really a very good experience uh, to have with this particular conference. So it's very well organized conference. It is beneficial and helpful for all group of peoples, researchers, businessmen and students, academics and practitioners. It is an appropriate way to flourish and enhance your network and awareness of different people all over the world through this conference. I thoroughly enjoy all the entire conference of 2 days. It was very well organized. Most of the presentation was so engaging and very beneficial, where we got many inputs from the chairperson, session chairs for the research work what we presented. It was really a very good experience for me personally. The conference was over, but still it will be remembered due to the way it was conducted. So I do believe that everyone attended is satisfied with the outcome of the conference, and this could only become possible because of the organizers who put their best efforts to organize it in the best possible manner. So I thank you once again for every efforts exerted in the conference and making it one of the memorable events in research activities. So looking forward to actively participate in any events or activities that will come soon. So with this, I stop here, and I will again once again thank to the organizers for organizing such a wonderful event and giving opportunity to present our research in front of the session chairs and to get the comments on that. So with this, I will stop here. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Our conference is a success only because of such active participants. Thank you so much. I request Dr. Uttara Gogte